Call him, Shane. Call him.
Willie, Willie, come here. Come here. What are you doing? Hey, you hush up.
Who is
Come
that?
here.
He don't know you. Look.
You're so skinny, Shane.
Come here.
You don't know him.
Look at him. He's scared.
Who I am.
Come here, Will.
You lost weight, Shane.
Oh,
Come here, buddy.
smell you. He'll know.
Where you going?
Say, where you being, Daddy? Where you being?
That's all it took.
Look at that. He had to smell it.
What are you doing, bud?
Good job, Jane, where you been? You look skinny.